Hello everyone, myself Deepak. I'm your IT teacher. In this video, learn about class 10th Unit 2 Web Application. Okay, dear student, there are a lot of lessons in this unit that we have to study properly then.
Dear student, you know that web application? What is the meaning of the web application? A web application is application software that runs on a web server. Unlike the computer based of software program that are run locally on the operating system of the devices.
Dear student, there are various type of content web application. First lesson is working with accessibility option. Do you know children what is the meaning of the accessibility option? Okay. Accessibility refers to design of products and environment for people with the disability. Example include wheelchairs, entryway, ramps, hearing aids, etc. Computer accessibility refers to user friendliness of computer system for all regardless of their disability. This is mainly a software issue. However, when a combination of hardware and software, it enables to person with the disability or impairment to use computer. It is known as assistive technology. In this session, you learn about the basic accessibility option available on your computer. Dear children, accessibility options in control panel are used to customize that way our keyboard, display or mouse function. Many of these features are useful for people with disability. There are different accessibility options. Keyboard, sticky key. Sticky key is an accessibility feature to help to computer user with physical disabilities. Toggles key is also feature Microsoft Windows. It is an accessibility function which is designed for people who have vision impairment. Serial keys is an accessibility feature that assists people that have difficulty using a keyboard or mouse. They can use a special device such as C. I hope you understand, children. Next session is Introduction to Instant Messaging. Do you know children, instant messaging is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based message for sender to receiver. Most instant messaging software include the option performing file transfer, audio chat, video calling and conferencing, sharing desktop, etc. There are instant messaging service. There are different kinds. There are two kinds of instant messaging software: application based and web based software. As your next topic is creating and publishing web pages. Do you know children, a blog is discussion style site used by the non-technical blogging option. It means blogs are similarly to online personal diary and simple to use. You can use to blog conveying message about the event. I hope you understand this topic, children. This is your next topic is networking fundamental. Do you know children what is the meaning of the networking fundamental? In computer, network is collection of computer and other hardware components interconnected by communication channels that allows sharing of resources and information. Is your next topic is client server architecture. Network in which certain computers have a special dedicated task providing service to other computer. A client server network is called to the client server network. There are different types of network: local area network, metropolitan area networks and wide area network. But there are two major types of network: local area network and wide area network. Internet. Dear children, the internet is a global system interconnected computer networks that use to standard internet protocol suit the server billions of users worldwide. It is a network that consists of the millions of private, public, academic, business and government networks. World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed There are different types of common internet connectivity: dial-up, DSL, cable internet access, 3G, WiMAX and Wi-Fi. I hope you understand this topic, children. It's so important. Some of the advantages of associate with the networking: data sharing, hardware sharing, internet access sharing. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand this topic. And the last, uses of network based application. Data sharing. On the most important uses of networking is allow the sharing of data, and hardware sharing, components such as the printer, scanner, etc. And internet access sharing, you can purchase single internet connection. I hope you understand this topic, children. Thank you.